Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back. My name is Zaheer Bhatti. Today is the biggest day in the American democracy because Joe Biden is got elected for 46th president of United States of America, and one of the biggest thing of this election is Kamala Harris, the vice president of United States. She got elected and she's the first woman in the history of United States of America who got elected for vice president of USA. One cool thing about Kamala Harris is she is Indian and South Asian heritage, and it is a blessed day in the American democracy and the history of America because it never happened before in the history. And Kamala Harris and Joe Biden, I wish you best of luck. Super excited. I am really hyped up. This news really gave me so much happiness and satisfaction. Our future is definitely saved. Our future is bright. In this video, we're going to talk about what is the future of immigration and international students under the presidency of Joe Biden. I know a lot of people have been talking about what's going to happen, what are the policies, how the rules are going to be. So if you are interested, make sure watch the video at the end. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, subscribe right now. So as you know, Trump administration put a lot of restrictions on international students and H1B workers in September, and lot of lawsuits happened. A lot of lawsuits came against the Trump administration, but now because it's going to be a new wave of democracy, it's going to be a new change in the history of America. So definitely the Joe Biden policies towards international students and immigration is very lenient if you compare with the President Donald Trump. So Donald Trump did a lot of things which were not appreciated in a lot of countries, and it hurts a lot of international students as well. And the policies, I feel like those were imposed on international students during Donald Trump administration. And if you compare Donald Trump policies to the Joe Biden, and I'm very confident and I'm very hopeful that because he really talked about what he can do to make this country beautiful, to make this country diverse, and the possibilities for everybody. So the first thing President Joe Biden can do, he can release the ban on the travelers for certain Muslim majority countries. That's my own opinion. He will definitely do it, and because the Trump administration had an executive order to ban the travelers from 7 different Muslim countries. Second thing he can do, he can revitalization the defer action plan for the children, like the DACA program, because Joe Biden policies are very lenient towards the children, and Trump administration blocked those DACA program in his presidency. So that's the one thing he can do, because Trump unsuccessfully attempted to end DACA, and the Supreme Court in June actually found his recession of the program did not follow the proper legal procedure though, and it left upon the possibility Trump could try again. So the administration scaled the program back after the rule. So one more thing, I'm super excited and super hyped up, because if we have to study in America, we have some expectation. We have to spend a lot of money as an international student. We have expectations. We want our money to be used in a proper way, our time, because I feel like if you were in the Trump administrations, it is very hard for you to get H1B visa and get a job, and second, get a green card. I'm not saying Joe Biden will hand it to you the green card and H1B visa. All I'm saying is his policies are definitely lenient and definitely bending towards the international students and education and immigration as well. The administration recently changed a couple of rules that hinder the foreign national potential to study and work in the USA, because the Trump administration in October moved a narrow eligibility requirement for H1B visa, which permits the American companies to hire foreign nationals. And sometime it was dangerous. It was definitely dangerous for the international students and H1B workers. And I feel like there will be more possibilities now. You can come to America, you can study here, you can get your H1B visa, and it will open your path to the green card. Congress passed the Coronavirus Aid, Relief and Economic Security CARES Act in March 2020 to fight against the coronavirus. They set aside $6 billion for the US emergency grants. The educational department blocked the students not eligible for federal financial aid from receiving that funding, issuing an emergency rule, and drawing the several legal challenges. So अक्टूबर में जब कांग्रेस ने $6 बिलियन का केयर्स एक्ट बनाया स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, उनको इकोनॉमिक रिलीफ देने के लिए, तो बहुत सारे एजुकेशनल डिपार्टमेंट और बहुत सारे रिपब्लिकन्स ने मिलकर उस बिल को कैंसिल करवा दिया ताकि इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स पैसे हासिल ना कर सकें ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक. एंड आई फील लाइक दैट वाज disaster, because a lot of the students who were working on different jobs, they didn't have a job, and it was a chaotic situation on that time. And I feel like when Joe Biden will come in the office in 2021, he will definitely revoke all those executive orders and it will be a new start. And I feel like this is the best time to study in America. Everybody should welcome. It is a great country. And Biden also aim to reinstate the deferred action program, DACA program, which is very good. But as an international student, the best thing for you is you can come to the America for 4 years, you can do your education, you can find a job, you can get your H1B visa, and that visa will lead you to the path of green card. In Trump administration, that path was blocked, but I'm super hyped up and hopeful during the Joe Biden presidency, this path will be easy for international students and it will be accessible for everybody. I wish you best of luck and congratulations all the people who supported Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. And as a political science student, I really enjoyed the fruits of democracy living in this country, and we were anxiously waiting for the results. I know it was a long process. Last 4 days were very tough. All the Americans, they were waiting continuously, but patience is a success. So Joe Biden got 290 electoral votes and President Trump got 214 electoral votes. So congratulations to 46th President of United States, Joe Biden. Long live America. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.